Zimbabwe's deepening intelligence corruption scandal has shifted beyond a single rogue operative, with multiple sources alleging that the country's most powerful civil servant, Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet Dr. Martin Rushwaya, is the central enabler of a system that has shielded a senior spy from arrest, while millions of dollars in public funds were looted. Sarabina Mashukubuda Pangwaino achinzi CIO stinky web of looting corruption. And was subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. At the center of the scandal is Linus Mafumo, a senior Central Intelligence Organization operative accused of playing a key role in the diversion of at least 4.5 million from a 6.8 million US NASA loan intended to fund a CIO-linked construction project in Harare. Investigators' intelligence sources say Mafumo's continued protection is not accidental, but administratively and strategically engineered using his family ties to Rushwaya. Rushwaya is the enabler, said one senior intelligence source. Mafumo is simply the instrument, because Musukuru wa Rushwaya, and he is used to execute and front deals that would otherwise attract scrutiny. Mafumo's influence inside the intelligence apparatus predates the current scandal. He previously served as intelligence attaché to Isaac Moyo during Moyo's tenure as Zimbabwe's ambassador, a posting that placed Mafumo at the intersection of diplomacy, intelligence, and offshore financial networks. Moyo later became CIO Director General and approved the now tainted NASA-funded building project in late 2024, shortly before his removal and subsequent appointment as Zimbabwe's ambassador to the UAE, a move widely criticized by governance watchdogs as a mechanism to shield compromised officials. Sources say Rushwaya played a decisive role in insulating Moyo from prosecution, a pattern now repeating itself with Mafumo. According to intelligence officials familiar with internal deployments, Mafumo was now being formally attached to Zimbabwe's embassy in Paris, which is a deliberate attempt to place him beyond the immediate reach of Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission SAC and police investigators. The Paris posting is a form of protection because it removes him physically while the paper trail goes, said a source. The move has triggered unusual anger and dissent with the CIO, according to multiple serving officers who describe growing frustration over what they see as selective discipline and institutional capture. The whole organization is angry, said one CIO officer. People are punished for far less, but when it involves precious people, there are consequences. Current CIO Director General Dr. Fortune Mangwana initially attempted to halt the project shortly after taking office, according to internal communications and the two officials with the direct knowledge of the discussions. But within weeks, Mangwana reversed his position. Sources say he later told senior officers that he was under immense pressure from the office of the president and cabinet. Ndo mashikwana over panguva anyway comment section medu za fundo aim to deep pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.